If we provide every community in Jamaica with a garbage truck, that will not change unless the people change their attitude towards the disposal of garbage in the country. The National Solid Waste Management Authority is the chief protector of the country's environment in terms of garbage collection. The entity since 2016 has enjoyed a new lease on life. The credibility of the organization was restored. The efficiency of the organization improved significantly, and the management of the organization is at its highest ever since the inception of the National Solid Waste Management Authority. This was done deliberately because the government recognized the importance of having a clean country. A clean country contributes to the growth and the development, and it does wonders for the people. We have seen over the last 2 years a decline in the garbage collection, a decline in the cleanliness of the country. And we can attribute that, ladies and gentlemen, to the fact that while we were on the road to full recovery, we were faced with a pandemic which the world has not experienced in the last 100 years. The government committed in 2018 to further enhance the collectionability of the entity by providing an additional 100 new trucks. And Mr. Gordon did make the point that since 2016, for the first time in the history of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, within less than 5 years, we were able to provide 63 brand new trucks to the organization.
I am pleased to be here for the grant contract signing ceremony between our embassy and the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, for the procurement of 2 small garbage compactor trucks. These vehicles will be procured from Japanese automaker under our embassy's grant assistance for grassroots human security project program, with funding in the amount of $210,936 US, approximately 31.5 million Jamaican dollars. Through this project, the NSWMA aims at improving its operation at the current garbage collection service in the 8 communities, namely Oldman Town, Barbican, Fletcherland, Payneland, Kintyre, Standpipe, Goldsmith Villa, Grand Bend in Kingston and St. Andrew. Those 8 communities were targeted because MPM Waste Management Limited operated under NSWMA, overseeing the communities currently does not own any small garbage compactor trucks available which can drive through the communities. I hope that this support from Japan to procure 2 small garbage compactor trucks will greatly improve the garbage collection rate and contribute to the improvement of the hygienic living conditions in the target communities.
As a country, we need to ask ourselves some serious questions. How are we treating our waste disposal? Is it the sole responsibility of government and its entities to ensure that garbage is disposed of in the right way? No, it is not. And the country must understand, and I want to repeat it at this signing ceremony this morning, if we provide every community in Jamaica with a garbage truck, that will not change unless the people change their attitude towards the disposal of garbage in the country. So, His Excellency, on behalf of the government of Jamaica, I say thanks for this important grant, which will continue the process of expanding the fleet of the National Solid Waste Management Authority. It will complement the project of requiring the 100 new trucks, which I said was interrupted because of COVID. This is one of the services that the agency is required to provide, and have been doing so. As we move to ensure that the delay in waste collections are overcome on a gradual basis, may the ties of friendship between the land of wood and water and the land of the rising sun continue long in the future. Thank you.